SmartPixel is pleased to showcase one of its most innovative applications, Espace Montmorency. We are proud to use Unity for our 3D engine in order to bring projects to life. Our greatest strength is the development of customized real estate sales applications. These applications successfully assist salespeople to present real estate developments, particularly in the pre-construction phase. Developers around the world have realized that our sales tool shortens the sales cycle. Prospective buyers are able to make their decisions faster as there is a very clear vision of their new home. SmartPixel has emerged as a global leader in the development of the most realistic 3D sales and marketing presentations. By showcasing the development, each unit, the amenities, and the surrounding key points of interest. For the Espace Montmorency application, we successfully adapted our framework to be compatible with Station IX. As a result, we offer an exceptionally high-quality application that seamlessly integrates with their immersive technology.
Welcome, Firaz. Thank you for joining us here today. Why don't you tell us a little about Groupe Montoni's latest project, Espace Montmorency?
So Espace Montmorency is a $450 million project based in Laval, Quebec. It's the connection between Laval and Montreal. So it connects the North Shore and the South Shore through an underground metro passage. And within this complex, we aim to provide a space for our tenants to live, laugh, work, and play within the same boundaries of an architecturally iconic building.
What motivates Montoni to innovate in the construction industry?
So as you know, the construction industry in itself is difficult to move when it comes to technology. We're lagging a bit behind. So at Groupe Montoni, we aim to break that status quo by implementing technologies like BIM and like smart buildings within our complexes. We believe that we add significant value to stand out within the industry and tend to push the needle towards a forward-thinking model. Through that, we were able to deliver exceptional projects that are intelligent and sustainable at the same time.
So what did you see in SmartPixel that fit your vision for this project?
What we aim to do with this project is to permit our tenants to be able to experience their space before they have to commit. With SmartPixel, in collaboration with Imagine 4D, we were capable of delivering exactly that vision to all of our tenants.
I want to welcome Christian Basila, President of Imagine 4D, here today to talk to us about his amazing new technology. Why don't you tell us all about your company?
Imagine 4D is a Montreal-based technology company. We commercialize 3D solutions, including our anchor product, Station IX, which enables users to teleport into the 3D world without any headgear. Station IX uses 280-degree horizontal field of view and large curved mirrors to provide a unique multi-immersive experience.
So in which industries do you see your technologies applied in?
We have started to commercialize Station IX in three main industries. The first one is real estate, the second one is defense, and the third one is power generation.
So since we're here to talk about real estate, tell us how you see it being applied in this sector.
We see three applications in real estate for Station IX. The first one is in the residential segment, where users can teleport into their home of the future. The second segment is commercial and industrial real estate, where a developer will be able to showcase his entire product portfolio, as well as position new projects to be built. The last application is for BIM. Station IX is uniquely designed to visualize large and complex data sets.
So how do you see SmartPixel's real estate application fit with Station IX?
We first met SmartPixel approximately 1 year ago, and it was clear from the onset that the quality of their content was superb. AAA content plays extremely well in a multi-immersive display like Station IX. Since then, we have extended our collaboration, and their framework has enabled that content to play seamlessly in Station IX. Today, we're proud to announce the first project in real estate with developer Montoni for the project Espace Montmorency.
Prospective buyers are able to make their decision faster as there is a very clear vision of their new home.